Let's be real. Most drone reviews are full of exaggerated specs and paid promotions. We actually flew and tested 2025's top models to find which ones deliver real-world performance. Whether you need Hollywood-grade footage, extreme FPV speed, or just a reliable flying camera, our top 5 list cuts through the marketing fluff. No gimmicks, no brand bias, just hard facts on battery life, wind resistance, and actual usability. Before you see which drone topped our list, subscribe to Information Thin, your shortcut to smart tech decisions in 2025. No more delays. Meet your drone right now. Number 5. DJI Avatar 2. The DJI Avatar 2 builds on its predecessor's success with notable upgrades for content creators. Its improved hand gesture controls and 30-minute flight time make it ideal for dynamic shooting scenarios. The 1-inch CMOS sensor delivers professional-grade 5.4K 60 frames per second footage with 10-bit D-Log-M color grading capability, while the modular design seamlessly transitions between FPV and traditional modes. For 2025, DJI has introduced Smart Landing 2.0 technology that automatically scans and adapts to uneven terrain, significantly reducing landing accidents. The drone now features enhanced low-light performance thanks to its wider f2.0 aperture, making it capable of capturing clear footage during golden hour. Voice command integration with Alexa and Google Assistant allows for truly hands-free operation, and unlike some competitors, it offers full functionality in offline mode. A boon for remote area filmmakers. While battery life remains its main limitation, the ultra-portable sub-500-gram foldable frame makes it the most travel-friendly option in its class. Number 4. DJI Air 3S. DJI's Air 3S strikes the perfect balance between portability and professional features, making it 2025's most versatile mid-range drone. The dual camera system, 24mm plus 70mm, provides exceptional shooting flexibility, while the O4 Plus transmission system delivers stable 1080p 60 frames per second live feed up to 12 kilometers away. New automated ND filter adjustment saves photographers crucial time when lighting conditions change rapidly. The 47-minute maximum flight time leads its category, though performance can suffer in winds exceeding 10 meters per second. For urban users, the enhanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing now recognizes power lines and thin branches that previously caused issues. Real estate professionals particularly appreciate the new automated property tour mode that creates smooth, repeatable flight paths. At under $1,200, it remains surprisingly affordable despite these upgrades, though the lack of 10-bit color may deter some professional cinematographers. Number 3. DJI Neo. DJI's Neo represents the sweet spot for budget-conscious creators who refuse to compromise on quality. Its 4K 120 frames per second stabilized camera outperforms many pricier competitors, while the AI-powered editing suite automatically tags your best shots mid-flight. A huge time saver for event photographers. The modular battery system enables true hot swapping, a rarity in this price range. For 2025, DJI has improved the Neo's wind resistance to 8 meters per second and added new creative flight modes like spiral dives and orbit tracking. The intuitive controller now charges fully in just 2.5 hours via USB-C, and the companion app includes smart tutorials for beginners. While the plastic construction feels less premium than magnesium alloy models, it contributes to the Neo's remarkably light 450-gram weight. The lack of LiDAR and 10-bit color might deter professionals, but at $799, it's unbeatable for hobbyists and content creators. Number 2. X Pro Limitless. The X Pro Limitless redefines high-end drone performance with its unprecedented combination of cinematography and racing capabilities. The 8K 30 FPS RAW capture and 120 FPS burst mode satisfy even Hollywood-grade production needs, while the carbon fiber chassis withstands extreme 80-mile-per-hour winds. New for 2025 is the revolutionary adjustable thrust-to-weight ratio system that lets pilots instantly switch between buttery-smooth cinematic moves and aggressive FPV maneuvers. The dual battery system achieves an industry-leading 50 minutes of flight time, and the Race Assist AI helps newcomers avoid costly crashes. Professional users will appreciate the expanded SDK that now integrates with Adobe Premiere and DaVinci Resolve for seamless workflow. However, the $2,499 price tag and complex setup process keep it firmly in the prosumer category. The lack of foldable arms also makes transportation slightly less convenient than competitors. Number 1. Holystone HS900. Holystone's HS900 emerges as 2025's most impressive value proposition, offering pro-level features at half the price of competitors. The 6K HDR footage rivals drones twice its price, while the 360-degree obstacle avoidance provides unparalleled safety for novice pilots. The patented storm mode stabilization handles 15 meters per second winds, a remarkable feat for a $499 drone. New AI Subject Tracking 4.0 maintains near-perfect 95% accuracy, even with fast-moving targets like athletes or wildlife. The modular gimbal's support for third-party lenses opens creative possibilities typically reserved for premium models. USB PD fast charging gets you back in the air quickly, though the 40-minute battery life remains average. Travel filmmakers love the redesigned compact case that fits all accessories, while beginners benefit from the simplified Pro Assist flight modes. For its price point, the HS900 delivers unmatched versatility, making it our top pick for most users.